got to throw it open to our audience who's here. Who do you think is our second runners-up? Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it, especially so early up. You're all confused with who it could be. I've got the answers right here. Starting from second runners-up, they will be getting cash prize of 5 lakhs. The second runners-up of Oppo Pubg Mobile India Series Grand Finals 2019. The squad that takes that away is none other than Funky Monkey! Well done! Well done! Are the top 20 squads in the country. They came as the second runners-up. Incredible feat. In addition to the 5 lakhs, they also get an Oppo F11 Pro smartphone with it. Congratulations on coming second runners-up. Well done. Thank you. Well done, man. Well done. It's incredible. Now that Funky Monkey is the second runners-up, it's time for us to find out who the runners-up is. Any guesses? It's a standard response. If you get this, you might be able to guess who wins it too. Nice, nice. I like it. I'm gonna tell you. The runners-up for Oppo Pubg Mobile India Series Grand Finals 2019 is one of my favorite squads out there. Make some noise for God's Rain!
तो गाइस आप देख सकते हैं सोल बन चुकी है इंडिया सीरीज की विनर। तो गाइस अभी मैं आपको वीडियो में दिखाऊंगा सोल जीतने वाला मोमेंट। देखते रहिए आप। गाइस अब देखेंगे अभी सोल का विनिंग मोमेंट। गाइस प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सपोर्ट कीजिए यार। सबसे पहले ये फुटेज दे रहे हैं, बहुत सपोर्ट कीजिए हमारे चैनल को। 1000 सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और इस वीडियो को मैं लाइक में रखता हूँ ओनली 50। गाइस प्लीज पूरा करा दीजिए, सोल के लिए पूरा करा दीजिए। सोल ये टूर्नामेंट जीत चुके हैं, मैं गारंटी।
Good teamwork and it's KK back to other special awards also. So God's Rain is definitely becoming a lot of people's new favorite. But now,
और ये देखिए गाइस चीयर करते हुए सोल।
Ladies and gentlemen, it gives me immense pleasure to announce the winner.
Soul.
The people who actually take home the
Soul
winner chicken dinner today here at Oppo Pubg Mobile India Series Grand Finals. They would be getting 30 lakhs. In addition to that, they would all be also receiving Oppo F11 Pro smartphones and also this very coveted trophy that's been lying here since the beginning of the stream. I think you know who the winners are. But for the people joining us, the winner of Oppo Pubg Mobile India Series Grand Final 2019 is Team Soul!
Guys, Soul जीत चुके हैं। गाइस प्लीज़ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। सोल के लिए ही कर देना। और सोल जीत चुकी है पबजी मोबाइल।
Crowd favorite from the get-go, with a lot of pressure that was behind them and a lot of crowd support. These guys prevailed even under heavy pressure, truly proving to be absolute champions of PUBG.